step into the Dodge 2016 Challenger RT Scat Pack. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Media Hub, SD, USB, O ports, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 8.4, Sirius XM satellite radio and Uconnect access. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.